Famous economists of all time, Part 1. Famous economists have shaped how we understand markets, policy, and human behavior across centuries. From classical thinkers like Adam Smith and Karl Marx to modern minds like Esther Duflo and Paul Krugman, their ideas continue to influence global economies. These visionaries have laid the foundations for economic theory, growth, and equitable development. One. Milton Friedman, 1912–2006. Milton Friedman was a Nobel Prize-winning American economist known for his strong belief in free market capitalism. He significantly influenced monetary policy through his advocacy of monetarism. Friedman's work reshaped economic thought in the latter half of the 20th century. 2. John Maynard Keynes, 1883–1946. John Maynard Keynes was a British economist whose ideas gave rise to Keynesian economics. He advocated for government intervention to manage demand and combat economic recessions. His theories had a profound impact during and after the Great Depression. 3. Adam Smith, 1723–1790. Adam Smith, often regarded as the father of modern economics, authored The Wealth of Nations. He introduced the concept of the invisible hand to describe self-regulating markets. His work laid the foundation for classical economic theory. 4. Friedrich August von Hayek, 1899–1992. Friedrich Hayek was an Austrian-British economist and philosopher known for his defense of classical liberalism and free market capitalism. He warned against central planning in his influential work The Road to Serfdom. Hayek was awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics in 1974. 5. David Ricardo, 1772–1823. David Ricardo was a British political economist known for his theory of comparative advantage and the law of rent. He argued that countries should specialize in goods they can produce most efficiently. Ricardo's principles greatly influenced classical economics. 6. Karl Marx, 1818–1883. Karl Marx was a German philosopher, economist, and revolutionary best known for co-authoring the Communist Manifesto. He critiqued capitalism and proposed a classless society as an alternative. His economic theories laid the groundwork for Marxist economics. 7. Alan Greenspan, born 1926. Alan Greenspan served as chairman of the U.S. Federal Reserve from 1987 to 2006. He was known for his policy of low interest rates and his influence on global monetary policy. Greenspan played a key role in guiding the U.S. economy through major events. 8. Amartya Sen, born 1933. Amartya Sen is an Indian economist and philosopher celebrated for his work on welfare economics, poverty, and human development. He introduced the capability approach and received the Nobel Prize in Economics in 1998. Sen's ideas have shaped development and social justice policy worldwide. 9. Elinor Ostrom, 1933–2012. Elinor Ostrom was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Economics. Her research challenged conventional views on how communities manage common resources without central regulation. Ostrom's interdisciplinary approach bridged economics and political science. 10. Irving Fisher, 1867–1947. Irving Fisher was an American economist and statistician known for his work on interest rates and the quantity theory of money. He developed the Fisher equation and made early contributions to econometrics. Though he famously underestimated the 1929 crash, his legacy remains influential. 11. Daniel Kahneman, 1934–2024. Daniel Kahneman was a psychologist and Nobel laureate whose work pioneered behavioral economics. He explored how human psychology affects decision-making under uncertainty. His book Thinking, Fast and Slow brought his insights to a wider audience. 12. Hernando de Soto Pola, born 1941. Hernando de Soto is a Peruvian economist known for his work on the informal economy and the importance of property rights. He argues that secure legal ownership is key to lifting people out of poverty. His ideas have influenced global development policy. 13. Joseph Stiglitz, born 1943. Joseph Stiglitz is an American economist and Nobel laureate recognized for his work on asymmetric information and market imperfections. He has been a vocal critic of globalization and economic inequality. Stiglitz has also served as chief economist of the World Bank. 14. Alfred Marshall, 1842 to 1924. Alfred Marshall was a British economist who helped formalize economics as a science. His principles of economics introduced concepts like price elasticity, marginal utility, and supply and demand curves. Marshall's work laid the foundation for neoclassical economics. 15. Ernst Fehr, born 1956. Ernst Fehr is an Austrian economist noted for his research in behavioral and experimental economics. He has investigated social preferences, cooperation, and fairness. His work bridges economics with psychology and neuroscience. 16. John Stuart Mill, 1806 to 1873. John Stuart Mill was a British philosopher and economist who advocated for individual liberty and utilitarian ethics. In economics, he contributed to theories on production, value, and economic development. Mill's ideas helped shape liberal political and economic thought. 17. Thomas Robert Malthus, 1766 to 1834. Thomas Malthus was a British economist and demographer known for his theory that population growth would outpace food production. His essay on the principle of population sparked wide debate and influenced policy on population and resources. Malthusian theory remains a reference in environmental economics. 18. Joan Robinson, 1903 to 1983. Joan Robinson was a prominent British economist and a leading figure in post-Keynesian economics. She developed theories on imperfect competition and criticized neoclassical thought. Robinson played a key role in interpreting and advancing Keynesian economics. 19. Paul Samuelson, 1915 to 2009. Paul Samuelson was a Nobel Prize-winning American economist who helped establish modern economic theory using mathematical models. His textbook Economics educated generations of students. Samuelson made foundational contributions to both micro and macroeconomics. 20. Sir William Arthur Lewis, 1915 to 1991. Sir William Arthur Lewis was a St. Lucian economist awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on development economics. He formulated the dual-sector model explaining the shift from traditional to industrial economies. Lewis was also the first black person to win the Nobel in economics. 21. Daron Acemoglu, born 1967. Daron Acemoglu is a Turkish-American economist known for his work on political economy and institutional development. His book Why Nations Fail, co-authored with James A. Robinson, argues that inclusive institutions are key to prosperity. He is a leading voice in development and macroeconomic theory. 22. Esther Duflo, born 1972. Esther Duflo is a French-American economist and co-recipient of the 2019 Nobel Prize in Economics. She is recognized for her innovative use of randomized controlled trials to study poverty alleviation. Duflo co-founded the Abdul Latif Jameel Poverty Action Lab, JPAL. 23. Andrei Shlefer, born 1961. Andrei Shlefer is a Russian-American economist known for his work in behavioral finance, law and economics, and financial markets. He has been one of the most cited economists in the world. Shlefer's research has deeply influenced modern corporate governance and regulation. 24. James Joseph Heckman, born 1944. James Heckman is a Nobel Prize-winning American economist renowned for his work on human capital development and econometrics. He emphasized the importance of early childhood education for long-term economic outcomes. Heckman also developed models to correct selection bias in statistical analysis. 25. Jean Tirole, born 1953. Jean Tirole is a French economist and Nobel laureate recognized for his analysis of market power and regulation. His work explores how to manage monopolies and promote fair competition. Tirole's contributions have shaped modern industrial organization theory. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.